finally here I am. I'm in a village by the name of Goti, and so far the journey has been quite exciting, and I'm not sure how it will be in next few hours, but so far so good. So let me just give you a quick review about how the journey was so far. So I took a train from Ghatkopar to Kasara, and from Kasara I was supposed to take a bus which was going to Akole. I checked when an inspector was there. He was a traffic inspector. He told me that all the buses going to Bhandardhara and Akole has been suspended due to heavy rains. So I never knew that, you know, it is raining very heavily over here. So then there was no alternative for me just to walk till highway. So from highway I had taken, I don't know what it is called. It's called a tempo kind of a thing. I'll post a picture. You can just see. This was a picture about it in which I traveled. So it was fun. It was fun to, you know, board that particular vehicle and then, you know, speak to the locals over there. Also, one interesting thing that happened was, I don't know, I just happened to realize that I had my Swades moment, like SRK had in Swades. He was sitting in that boat with all the locals around him. The same thing I also experienced. And I met a lady, and she used to speak very less of Hindi. She was more of a local, so she was speaking Marathi. I spoke to her that, you know, from here, if I'll get down at a particular location, how to go further. Then she told me, you know, from here you need to take a local taxi, or you can say this kind of a vehicle I'm sitting in right now. It's a jeep basically, and then this will be taking you to Bari. From Bari again I'll have to walk 5-10 minutes from the till the base destination I reach, and then from there I have to, you know, trek for next 3 hours. By the way, it's raining heavily, and I'm carrying all my stuff with me right now, sitting in a cab. So right now I'm in the middle of a village. So basically what happens if I'm sitting in the middle of I'm in the middle of a village, and the vehicles won't go because you know, they need to just fill in the passengers. They need to, you know, churn out the money for the petrol that they are putting into the vehicle. So yeah, so once all the passengers are filled, only then I think we'll be making a move. The quick update on the next journey, as in like how we'll be going from here. The roads are not that good because of the heavy rains. The roads situation is kind of a little tricky. Even I'm not sure. That's what a, you know, person just told me. Now once we go ahead, we'll get to see and explore. Till then, let's see, and I'll just see if we can manage to have a time lapse as well. Alright then, correct. आप लेके जाएंगे?
नहीं।
अच्छा, आप भी पैसेंजर हैं? कितने बैठते हैं आगे वाली सीट पे वैसे?
आगे 4 बैठे हैं। 4 बैठे हैं।
रिकॉर्ड कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है यूट्यूब के लिए? चलेगा? क्या नाम है आपका? सुनील। तो अभी यहाँ पे एक ड्राइवर रहेगा, और कितने लोग बैठेंगे आगे वाली सीट पे?
4 नहीं, मतलब ड्राइवर पकड़ के 4।
ड्राइवर के अलावा 3 लोग और बैठेंगे, जैसे आप हो गए, मैं हो गया, एक और आएगा, और एक फिर ड्राइवर आएगा इधर। सही है। आप यहीं रहते हैं?
नहीं, भंडारदरा के पास में ही गाँव है मेरा।
अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे ऐसे ही घूमने आए हो?
आज ही मैं नासिक गया था, तो नासिक से अब घर जा रहा हूँ।
ओके ओके। तो ये लास्ट यहाँ से चलता है, दिस इज ये गोटी विलेज है राइट?
हाँ।
और यहाँ से कहाँ तक चलता है लास्ट? इसका डेस्टिनेशन क्या रहता है?
यहाँ से सेंडी।
ओके, चलिए, थैंक यू।